How did you invite me? Invite you where? Ngikho right? It was a mistake. It's so cold, guys. I'm feeling sleepy, that's all. Ngiyazela nje guys, ngiyazela. Oh, namumuntu amefona papa yini. Angikho right. Oh, so video call indoda yami papa yini. Hi Katlego, hey my love. Oh guys, I'm so tired. Let me go sleep. Bye. Ngiyantanda. Down. I'm good, Katlego. I'm going, love. If you need something or you wanna ask about something, can you please DM me? Cause I love you so much. Katlego. Love you down. Bafethu. Ngisayojola bandla. Ngiyanicela bandla. Ngisayojola. Kanti ngiphilo. Kunazo. Katheleni. But love you. Ngeke phela ngingajoli shomi. Angeke nje. Sisanda ukulungisa izinto nalo muntu. And futhi asiyilungisile ukuthi mhlawumbe sisiyilungisile nakhona nje bamba. Hayi yabo manje angisakwazi ukunishiya kodwa yena ubalekile kunani, ngiyaxolisa. Ubalekile kunani but nani nibalekile kumina. That's my person. And chill. Umuntu wami loya we. Angifuni lutho. That's my person. Papa yini ngizongixoxela ngizon-update ukuthi kade sixoxa ngani with my person. Ngiyangabisela. La. Yes, way yena over nina Shem, yena over nina anytime. I love you guys, but him first. Ngoba yini into ecejile mina naye. ngithanda nje ongumuntu. Hey, hi. Uze nginigwinya nonke nginiqede. Uba babe. Well, guys, ngicela ukunibuza la. So, if like a guy why mfane ngakublock mumfonela angayibambi ifoni but akakublockile? What does that mean? Like, why ngakublock? Why ngayibambi ifoni? Block me. Because like, I don't understand. Like, really. Ngiblock. Kacani ngiphendule. Show me. It's been months now. And it's been months. And akabuyeli mina, that's the thing. Ain't interested, you. Okay, block my if you're not interested, then block my number, move on with your fucking life. Mengikufonela ayingangeni phone. If I'm WhatsApping you, ayingangeni, show me. Simple as that. You know? Hey guys. Hey, aningitshela ukuthi why is that? Hey guys, sure. Kunini ngiwenza my first move? Kunini ngiwenza my first move? Okay, so he recently texted me, like engibuza impilo basically, and that was that. Fundisa ngiyeka fundise. Sacela number yakho ngifuna. Hey, ungiyeke. Does that anything and understand our economy? Mfethu yenziwa yini leyo nto mfethu? Yenziwa yini leyo nto enzi? Hello, like I don't get it. Like yo, sana. Then you're not his type. Life is so fair. I'm not his type. I'm his type to the T. Oh, I'm his type to the T. No, I'm not Xhosa. He is keeping you hooked, keeping lines for when he comes back. Yabona ke wena, Amanda. Clock it, show me. Cause ngiyabona vele. Cause vele masesebuya, I know I'm gonna fall into the trap because I like him like that. I know I'm gonna fall into that. I like him like that. I really, really do love that guy. But okay, it was so one would come back. Oh, ask him Ndlelani sana. Thank you so much. Yanine kaya kithi. Ngisekhaya kithi nje mina, what do you mean? Amanda Palpeni is coming back kunini ngimlindile. Mina, hey guys, Mina he just recently okay, it doesn't make sense. But about lento we alu lento Amanda I show you is true. Because he can come whatever. Sorry, he can come whenever he wants to come. He knows ukuthi vele you're gonna let him in anyway. They do what that while they are as well keeping options open. Yeah, true. And mina, what I love about myself, whenever like they let me back, mase bengithanda angibathandi, but when mase ngibathanda ibona laba ngangifuni khona. That's what happens to me. I just don't, you know. But where is my boyfriend? Useshowe. Tell me why I can't save your TikTok videos. Bro, I'm gonna open the saving thingy. I don't know where to click, but I'll try and search. And I don't wanna accept any request. I'm sorry. That's life. It's life, ma. And I'm facing a lal. I can show. Definition. Yeah, thank you. Because I like my boyfriend, guys. Yo, my boyfriend, mean. Oh man. Okay, man, my boyfriend. Also, lose your habit of quickly losing interest. See. Wait, Amy. What are you talking about, love? Wait, Amy. That's what's so cool. When you ask about man. Who said I'm Zim? Nothing more, Amy. Oh. Wait, Amy. Oh, ngabu we stalker. Oh. Angithandi into enza intombazane. Zim etawa muhlanje. Yeah, phela kodwa Zim girls are pretty, but I'm not from Zim. Ayena. Mhlawumbe ngizwile ongikhuluma ngo-S. Yeah, but his name starts with an S though. Yeah, it's fine either way. Bafana abazazi bafunani mfethu. Abazazi bafunani. Kodwa vele-ke laba abanemali bayayitshela. Like, they think they're all that. Asibuyelane. Buyelana noba. Kumele uyothwasa. Because yabo ehlaba futhi uyazi. Ubhuqa mina nje. Siyincwadi engafundeki. Hayi mfethu abafana hayi ngefethu. Like why nihluleka ukushitha? Why nihluleka ukuchitha oh? Hayi nina mfethu. Anyanyisa nje. Kangihlula ukuchitha. Umuntu avela like what the fuck? What have I done to you? Akushintshele. Excuse me. Akushintshele mfana kusithubeni nje mfethu kube ngathi like anzange nazi or something like that. Like what do you mean? Hey, ngiloyale enqenzeni. Nina ngithanda abangani abangangithandi abafana. Nina ni-praise abangani. Umahle usela asibe abangani fast ke phuthu. Senguyena umngane wakho. Umfana uyashita. Eyashita umfana vele kade bayebeshita oh. Ithunya zasathane abafana oh. Ngcono uzi yena ngeke. I don't think uzoyibamba namanje. ikhole yabasho ekushintshele uze umdampe qala ngaze kusho yena ukuthi yabo wena ayanda with this one ngamdampa ngabona ukuthi ngiyamthanda lo mfana ngabuyela kuyena awunakhe sengenza doti-ke yena esevele eyithulela nje kodwa unamango uyangithanda ukuthi nje une-pride nokudlala isifele nokudlala kube isifele serious yangithanda le akaze kube khona umfana mina engangatshola naye ungangithandi ukuthi nje yifebe and ishami ngizohlala befundisa ngizohlala sengiyahlanya mnganami sengiyahlanya uyangithanda uyangithanda nje uyahambana uyangithanda uyangithanda sukuma sikubona ayibo ningibona ukuthi nabangaze bayangazi mina ngagoya okusaqala unyaka ngoMarch kunamanje ngisagoya so nje ugoya sekuyiphathi yempilo yami abafana abanalo uthando yibo abafana banalo uthando mina wangazi mina ngazi bani uthi umuntu uyamthanda kodwa angakutshengisi ukuthanda ayingeke umfonela ayifethi mina ningekeni ngeke nje ngendaba zothanda and US ubuya la esebona ukuthi we-Amy yini le ukhuluma ngayo ngempela NUS US noma uyamazi umuntu engikhuluma ngaye hayi girl ucacisa inkulumo shumi cacisa nje inkulumo kuyalaleka ukuthi nje ngisafuna ukukhuluma lapho khona lo okuthanda isicefe inkinga umfuni and wewe bangisidina uyanyanyisa umanyanyisa umfana loyo maybe bamtshele ukuthi wena awudlali ngeke maybe bamutshele ukuthi wena okay issue is that you're problematic and love money. I saw a long time ago after meeting you at Pev. The fuck? Who said I'm problematic? Do you even know me? Then go to the girls who are not problematic. Go to the girls who does not love money. Like, for saying. Mina lo wami ngimugcine esemcimini today akasafona. You know me too well. Ngicela ukumblocka lo pin top agency. Ungijwela amasimba. Ngibona ukuthi ngimsendele invitation. Ngimblock. And he's a guy. I just blocked him. What the fuck? You know me too well. Here you go. Ati, you know me too well. Ungazilaphi. I'm good. Hi. I can give you what money can. Hey, yabona mfethu, yabona aningikeni. Kusho bathi ngishoda ngemali. I don't need your fucking money. Oh. ubeshada honeymoon. Thank you so much, younger. Abafana mina abangithandi uyashisa futhi abafana besimpiwe mina abangithandi shem. Ibona la bangenza ukuthi ngibe nolaka hawu. Ibona shom. Thank you so much, Kalazom or Kalazome or what? Guys, it's November, my birthday month, period. Happy new month, my lovies. Mwah, 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 mwah. Maybe dlala mina namangazi guys in. It's got such Jackie China room. Hi there, don't forget to stream. Okay, don't worry, I will stream it. Happy new month, period. Birthday month, and the birthday pictures, the videos. Oh my god! But you deserve to be happy. You and stuff falling for guys with LCE. Ini LCE. Ingo mhlaka 13 November. 13 kuzonyole but Nizasha. I'm joking, but I'm gonna there's nothing much. Honestly, I just can't wait for my birthday because I have content to post. That's it. And it's my birthday month. Yeah, Demiller. You guys. Nizobona. Oh, low self-esteem. You nailed it. You fucking nailed it. Insecure, money. The insecure. Insecure niggas. Nginebhadi ndingumXhosa, but I wanna go. Any advice for Tina? Just did whatever tribe, man. I'm from Durban. Yeah, I mean you. The complete. Thank you so much, Imperial. Oh, thank you. I really appreciate it. Ngizokublock. Especially ngizokublock ungikhulumela into ezinyanyisayo la. Ngithi futhi ngikwenze manje ngijwayela kabi. Ungikhothini inkomo enjani? Ha. Nayingane bo. Ngim-invitela nomuntu ngiyamblock. How do you even do it? Ngibhedeli la mina. Angizeli like angizeli. Hello.
Njani?
Intondolo just arrived. Angazi nokuthi yini intondolo kutshela ukuthi abani. I mean you just ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngimkhiphile lo kanjani? Okay, so cute. Yeah.
Wazamuhle.
Ngiyabonga mfethu.
Awulele ngani?
Ave ungiqeda. Uzongibuza lo mbuzo. Okay, angiphoxani but uzongibuza lo mbuzo. Wena ulele ngani?
Ade ngilele ngivuka manje mina.
Ngizicabanga ke. But I was often nini ungaphi nathi. Sengifonile guys, sengifonile mfana ibambe ifoni. Unenye intombi hi Amahle muhle seke thank you nqina ukuphuma ujoy. Oh sengimkhiphile. When I Amy, you so dodgy. Like there's something about you. I wonder who you are. Maybe you are my op. What if you are my op? Singaziwana phela if it's sharing daughter or it's nothing deep. I don't like Uti saying like talking to you guys. Okay, not talking to you, but like ni request day. I'm going to my life anjalo. I just no, I don't do them. Yeah, but I feel like you need to hear me out. Hear you out about what? Ayakho guys mfana ngiyomuzwa ngaphandle kwalo mfana ngimthandayo. So yeah. You guys kuyabhanda mfana yo. The one I love is not here. She's probably in Durban North. If not, she's in Glenwood. Yazelama Dali wami, dali wami, dali wami, go wami, my love. Guys, I'm going to sleep now. Yeah, wait, Nambit, it is so addictive. Maybe give it life like 4 to 5 times, yo. Okay, but honestly, I prefer TikTok than Instagram. About Instagram lives are so boring. People are so serious on that app, yo. They are so serious. And so, yo, it is first day 6 and I'm not for it, Jim. Instagram, no. They need to like shut down that app or do something about it. Like, Sana. They have to shut it down. If they shut it down, sizaba on TikTok because all these creators are gonna come running to TikTok. So they should just rather leave it as it is. How's your hair holding up? My hair is fine, honestly. I just need to curl it. Like, recurl it. It's fine. It's like me bored, like it's so boring. Okay, some of you guys will. Okay, some of the other guys, I don't think Basa Kona will have. They were asking me what was I celebrating. Tank. What was the occasion? Getting into Kanda, I did makeup and stuff. Okay, some of you know I don't usually do makeup because I'm was only if I knew how to do makeup every day. So there was no occasion really. Like it was my birthday photo shoot. So yeah, it was just my birthday photo shoot. Kupela. So prepare to be sick of me. Oh, it's nothing much. And a couple of videos and stuff. In November. It really is. Hey, I take 7 my accounts. Ha! Already 2. 3 years ago. That's really like nice. Yeah, you know what, guys? I would have deactivated or like deleted my Instagram account a long time ago. The reason why Usakona is because I take pictures with it. Instagram pictures they eat. Like the original camera, it is so much. I honestly envy people who live Instagram and same bro. Because the only reason why I have Instagram right now is because of the picture quality of the camera, and that's that. Otherwise, I'd be long gone. TikTok is so much. It is so much better. It's so much better. I play like TikTok. I post whenever, I post whatever, at any time. So, hey, Shala, boy, enjoy for a second. Guys, I have to go and sleep now, and I'm so cold. I feel like get banned. Yo, I'm home. Yo. Oh my god. Thank you, A, for the roses. Thank you, my love. Thank you for the rose, Lisa. Love you so much, baby. Yo, guys, I am so cold. Yo. Mama A. Kunzima ukube rockstar. Kunzima ukuba i-rockstar. Asibona manje live. Ulive. Hey.